Hey folks, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the fascinating world of science. Ever wondered what makes solids, liquids, and gases so different? Why does ice feel so rigid, water so fluid, and air so free? Today, I'm breaking it down for you with a fun dive into the world of particles and their dance moves in each state of matter. Get ready to visualize these tiny dancers in action. Alright, let's start with solids. Solids are the simplest to understand because we encounter them every day. Picture a bunch of people standing shoulder to shoulder in a tightly packed elevator. No one can move much, right? That's what particles in a solid look like, tightly packed and neatly arranged. They are so close together that they can only vibrate in place. These particles don't really move around much, they just vibrate in their fixed positions. This limited movement is what gives solids their rigidity. This is why solids have a defined shape and volume. They maintain their form unless a significant force is applied. Imagine a brick. It's rigid and keeps its shape, right? That's because its particles are locked in place. That's because its particles are like a disciplined dance troupe sticking to their spots. Next up, liquids. Liquids are a bit more dynamic. Think about a crowded dance floor where people have a little more room to move around. They can slide past each other, but are still in close proximity. In liquids, particles are still close together, but not in any fixed arrangement. They can move around and slide past each other, which gives liquids their fluidity. They slide past each other, which is why liquids can flow and take the shape of their container. This ability to flow is what makes liquids so versatile. Imagine pouring water into a glass. It adapts to fit the glass, but it doesn't compress easily. This is because the particles are still relatively close together. That's because the particles are still pretty close, just with more freedom to groove around. They have enough space to move, but not enough to break free from each other. Now let's talk about gases. Gases are the most energetic and free-spirited of the three states. Picture a huge open field where everyone's running around freely, bumping into each other occasionally. There's a lot of space and freedom to move. Gas particles are spread far apart and move very quickly in all directions. They have so much energy that they can fill any container they're in. This is why gases fill up any container they're in and can be compressed easily. The particles are so far apart that they can be squeezed closer together. Think about blowing up a balloon. The air particles inside spread out to fill the entire space. They move rapidly and freely, filling every nook and cranny. So, to recap, solids are like a packed elevator, tight and orderly. They hold their shape and volume. Liquids are like a crowded dance floor, close but able to move past each other. They flow and take the shape of their container. And gases are like an open field, spread out and zooming around. They fill any space available and can be compressed. And there you have it. The dance of particles in different states of matter is a fascinating journey of energy and movement. The dance of particles in different states of matter. Each state has its unique characteristics and behaviors. Next time you look at a solid, liquid, or gas, think about those tiny particles and their unique dance moves. It's a microscopic dance party happening all around us. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more cool science content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring.